glasses so I can see. Hi, it's September. I can't believe it's September. Usually every single year whenever September comes around, I'm always like, oh my god, I can't believe it's the end of the year. But then those 4 months kind of go for quite some time. I don't know, they're like kind of long months, especially October. October goes for like 5 weeks. What I'm doing this month, I am still working on a lot of like design jobs, which are carrying on from August, which is good, but I haven't been able to make all that much like personal work, and I haven't been able to work on tarot. So one of my clients doesn't need work until next week, so that means this week I can just like, I think I can spend today and a little bit of tomorrow on client work, and then for the rest of the week I can work on tarot, which is great because I haven't been able to finish them. So I'm gonna work on that. But for today, I am sending out packages. I just got these purses in. By the time this vlog is up, they may be sold out by now. Yeah, just gonna send those out. And thank you so much everyone for all of your orders. They make such a big difference. It just means like, for years I've been wanting to make like really cool merchandise and really cool apparel, and all of these tiny little things are just building up to that. For people who don't know, when you start making merchandise, you need to spend money to make money, and a lot of people who start these kind of like businesses have an investor to give them a big chunk of change so they can like get the ball rolling. But right now I'm building up to that. I'm like really obsessed with these stickers. Like, these are so cute. If I were a kid and I saw these, I would be like, I'm excited to give these to my nieces actually. These are freaking cute. Yeah, that's what I'm up to the next couple of weeks. We'll see how everything goes. I will update you. Yeah, I'm gonna pack some orders, send orders, do design work. I'll catch you guys soon. It's September 14th. A little update on this week. I joined a gym, and along with the warm weather, I feel like moving my body, the warm weather, I'm in like such an amped, energetic moves. I was gonna do a studio tour video this week, but I haven't moved all of this stuff around. I wanna put my proper paintings up here, and then I wanna move all of the sketch sort of stuff over here. I got new curtains. I know it's just so interesting that I got new curtains, but trust me, the green curtains before were so ugly. This just makes the studio look so much bigger. I finished this piece, so I'm sure the time-lapse of that is already out and released, and I've already discussed all of that. This week I really wanted to get the studio completely done, but it was too overwhelming. I'm still working on this job. I need to get this done, like 5 illustrations done in the next 2 or 3 days, so gonna try and pump those out. I also have to start a painting. This hexagonal commission painting is going through now. Yeah, super busy, going to smash this stuff out, and next week I'm actually gonna start painting again. I mean, I did a lot of painting this week with that piece, but yeah, lots of things are being made, so let's get to work. Morning, hi, what have we been up to? What have I been up to, actually? I am working on this piece. I just traced it, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with where it's going so far. It feels like, because I've already planned out like exactly what's going in there, I won't be fussing about and being like, oh, maybe this should go here or this should go here. It's more just like kind of a color by numbers at this point now. So yeah, I need to whack that piece out. Yesterday I worked on this, a couple of other sketches. I think it's some kind of Australian animal. Maybe a wallaby, I'm not sure. Australia's got a lot of marsupials. That was a procrastination draw. Yeah, so I'm trying this new thing where I, like, in the evenings try and do like a sketch just for the sake of it, so I can try and fill this up as quick as possible and do another sketchbook tour. I've been working on this other like like commercial illustration job, which has been fine. I'm really hoping that just gets done by Friday, but we'll see. Whoa, yeah, background. I did this morning. If you've been watching my videos from last year, you will recognize this. I got this in Bali. I feel like it really makes the room really splash out. I've moved a couple of the final tarot card stuff over here. I'm prepping to do my studio tour. I will be filming that tomorrow. It'll probably already be out by the time this vlog's out. But yeah, my plan is to kind of have all of the tarot, like final tarot card stuff out there. All of the line work, I'll probably start to archive them, the more like final pieces that I make. I like to have my most current work out because it really helps me like kind of tie everything together. Especially like when I'm painting, I kind of get a little bit lost every now and then. So it's nice for me to like look back at some like older stuff just to see like, oh, that's the technique that I used, you know. It kind of helps me a bit with my process. Towards the end of the year, paintings start to get a little bit more popular and people want to get their work done because like, oh, it's the end of the year, I need to get some stuff. I don't know, that just seems to be the way people work. So I'll show you a little quick snippet of this sketch because I'm really liking the way it's going. That's gonna be another painting as well. Whoa. Yeah, my energy is like really weird and low at the moment. I feel like because I haven't like spoken to a human in a while, so I'm like, blip blip, what are words? All right, let's get to painting. Good morning. I have a very attractive hair mask on this morning. Just trying to beautify myself before we start filming today. And by we, I just mean me. So because I've moved all of this stuff over from that wall to over this wall over here is blank. I've been meaning to put up these paintings for some time. This painting here is already sold, but I don't want it living on the floor. So yeah, I've just got a couple of paintings that need to go up. Not all of them have hooks, so I'm gonna do that and then pop them up now before we start filming. It looks so good. Why didn't I do this months ago? I have my own little gallery in my studio. I still need to put one more piece in that corner, but yeah, that looks pretty good. I guess over the next couple of months, I'll just keep on rotating them, you know, if any of these sell along the way. Hello! I am incredibly burnt out. I have been painting the last couple of days on this piece over here. Pretty happy with where it's going, but I wanted to get it done this week and before I start working on a new video. So just because I've just got a mountain of work done, so I just want to like try and pump out work a lot quicker, but it's just so unrealistic. So I've been painting like 10-hour days, 3 days in a row, painting like 8:30 until 6:30 and then like having a little break for dinner and then painting at night and I'm just so tired. So I think today I just need to take it easy. I have so much that I need to do and a lot of like busy work, like invoices and all of that really boring stuff. So instead of doing all of that, I'm gonna try and recenter myself, draw a little bit in my sketchbook, watch a little bit of Sophia and listen to music and just chill and like not make anything for a reason, just make it because I need to make some stuff for myself and just take it easy. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. That was September. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the behind the scenes, moving stuff around my studio, all the art I'm working on. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen, techniques, where I get things, leave a comment below. But yeah, in the meantime, in between uploads, you can catch me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to support the shop and my art, you can always go over to zekelunchbox.com. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya. Bye. With you.